Boy Aram jumping in the middle and he's up against Xaviero. The first touch of the ball belongs to Gilas. 6 seconds. Bolling, trying to make a decision. Step back, 3.
Yo, beauty. I'm sure they've also scouted us and they know Bolly can really make that kind of a shot. Not only that's a basketball play, di ba? Parang sumapit after the ball has been knocked out. Oh,
Bolly
nice block
denied entry that time.
by Dagny.
Yes. Here's Dagny driving her dish off. Xaviero takes care of the basket.
That's their 1 and 2 combination.
Bottled up, can't shoot. Dish off, it won't stay inside. Philippines with another offensive rebound. Finding inside, that's blocked. Second block of Indonesia.
Yeah, from the offensive board.
Indonesia trying to grab the lead right now. Dish inside, that'll work. And that's the second basket of Derek Xaviero. Here's Grajita dribbling around the neighborhood, drives hard, scores!
Nakita mo si Coach Singleton, tuwan-tuwa.
9 seconds on the shooting clock from the Philippines.
There you go.
Into the box, nice up fake. Short range
Yes.
shot, that'll work.
Kailangan atakihin ni Aram yan si Xaviero kasi meron na siya isang foul. Is it a pick here?
Nice pocket pass, 3.
Oh! Aram Nung isang araw, yung 3-point shot niya, malaking-malaki sa Vietnam yan. Yung dikit ang laro.
Parang who was available, who's ready, di ba?
Anak ko.
Oh, big drive. That was big counted ba?
Yeah, it's counted.
Counted.
This guy is really good.
The outside of the
Wow. Terrific player. He already has 10 points in the ball game, partner.
This semis, mapapalaban ng Gilas dito, ha?
Yeah, certainly. Because may dalawang key players yan.
Follow-up will work. And there is Derek scoring again.
12 puntos na ito, eh. No?
Montana grabs 2 defenders. Outside top of the key 3. Yes!
Naku, 15 puntos na itong mama. And we need this timeout.
Bullet, Zapotera coming out. 8 seconds on the shot clock. Best Somalis in the game. Here's a top of Keo. Ravena knocks it down.
Kailangan katulad ka ni Ravena,
Shot clock has been reset. 3 minutes to go in the opening quarter. Zapotera pulls up. High looper, yes!
So the miss.
It's inside. It's actually Daisa now. Big spin to the basket. That will work.
That's the other big scorer for them. Yes.
And the foul given against Stratter. And company, here's a drive. Open big time rejected. Third block by Indonesia.
Yeah.
The inbound. Less than 50 seconds. Quick release from the wing. Yes, it's a 3. That time by Guantara.
Screen
Oh, hard talaga. Chalais, drop pass inside. So that shot by Xaviero, who now has 17.
Yeah, he's
Still nothing. Follow-up will not work, and Indonesia takes the board away. Steal, however. It's now perpetuated. Sent to the side. Open attack. Yes!
kailangan tumama ka naman. Kailangan niya.
Yonga, Zapotera, and Gontara. Left to
huli.
That's taken away. Here's Malonzo leading the 3-on-4. Fakes it. Scores!
Nakatulog ka, Malonzo. Ikaw na nga umagaw. Ikaw pa rin ang nag-finish sa fast break.
Taking care of everything
Hinihingi na
inside.
lang yung bola eh. Kanina pa yung Lucy.
Volley!
Yes!
Scores!
And we have come back all the way, from that 12-point deficit, it's down to 4.
The second quarter. Familiar move.
That's the offensive rebounding twice that he picked up. And the steal, remember, yet.
And here comes the outside attempt. It's a 3.
Oh. We have to score on this play. If not, we might have to be forced to call a timeout pag umiscore ulit sila without answering back.
Swift crossover. Open. Parks.
Yes, that's a big one. 3-point shot yan.
They scored only 4 points in this quarter. Parks. Ravenna. Tres.
Yes!
Yagne sees daylight. Misses badly. Rebound picked up by Indonesia. Second attempt. Yes, well done. That time from the outside by Quintana. Gilas here in a big tear in the second quarter.
Si Aaron, by the way, is back.
Bolek escapes and scores.
Naghahanap ng foul, bumaba ka na. You gotta see some videos of the old Matthew right here. Now we're seeing nothing.
Bolek to the
Open
wing
shot.
he goes. Malonzo.
Yes! 10 puntos. First guy in double figures.
Watch this sequence as you enjoy going into the stunt.
Gilas Filipinas
That's correct.
team. Yeah.
And enough to give us a 2-point lead after being down by as large as 12. Steal!
Now.
Parks will break away and score!
No need to duck. It's the same 2 points.
Into the box we go. Shot clock coming down to 10. Bolek. Crossover. Bolek sees daylight. And a good fake.
Yeah! He knew he can get that shot anytime he wants against this team.
Here's Xaviero. Turn around. It will trickle in. And he has... Matthew Wright looks inside. Hesitates. Bolek. Right. Nice fake.
Come on.
Goes all the way.
Yes,
and scores.
first 2 points. Bigger than him on our team, you know.
Might as well.
Kung nandiyan si Junmar,
Yeah.
okay lang yan,
Yeah.
di ba?
Here's Diagne trying to create.
Yeah,
Got
he
it.
did.
That's a good move.
We have to remember he's left, so he's going back to the left.
Ravenna pops out. Ravenna has 8 points. Ravenna posting up. Ball away.
Yeah. Buntik na naagaw.
Eto, Ravenna. Libre sa tuktok ng Keon. Matthew Wright. 9 on the shot clock. Yes! Dr. J.
Defense.
Here's Ravenna. Slows it down. Side steps. And
Yes,
they
sir.
score!
Palitan sila. You don't force the game quickly.
You don't need to rush it.
Yeah.
But Matthew has other ideas.
See that?
High up the glass. Follow
Yeah.
Manzano.
Okay, now it's going to move to the other side again. Now they go into a zone. They came out here. They want to do something else. They go to a zone.
Libre. Whoa! They're hitting everything.
Jump, patay ka kay Matthew Wright. Pag nag-zona ka dyan.
And the Philippines with a 21-12 third quarter. Really a great defensive
Oh,
effort.
somebody has to help out.
Diagne sends it to the side. Here's a wide open play.
Sagot rin.
Grahita with 7 points.
They'll continue to play zone unless we hit 2 or 3 more shots like that.
Boy turns. Scores. That's a
yeah.
shot. 10-point lead. Biggest lead of the Philippines. Zapotera. Grahita
Good block.
blocked. Matthew Wright tried to tap it over to Panopio. Here's Ravenna. Shakes free. Finds an opening. And
They will stay with us.
yeah.
Set the screen.
Bolek. Parks. Kabang!
Biglang pumutok ito. 0 sa first quarter. 5.
Malonzo top of the key. Launches a 3. No.
Better D.
Ravenna
Lumabas na.
thinking of going downstairs. Dish off. Last moment. Yes!
Sano, 4 points. And of course, marami na red flag dyan.
Well,
Tayo nga eh. Panopio. Look away pass.
and Diagne. Malonzo swings left, goes right, is swatted. And here comes Indonesia with their second win. 4-2.
Matagal pa ito. 4 minutes pa ito. Game's not over.
Ravenna with 7 seconds on the shot clock. 30, spinning, and scoring.
Go down.
Big drive to the basket. That could have been traveling.
It was troubling.
Big drive. That'll work for Yonga. First, no. Oh, look at that.
Good
Block.
block. Hindi pa tinira ni Bolik. Pero good thing, we're coming back on defense.
Tres.
Oh, we need a timeout.
Yaksa.
Saka we got into penalty early in this quarter.
Diagne. Blocked. Ball will be kept by Indonesia. Severo will try to muscle his way again.
Their help has to come.
Yes,
Their help,
he scores.
Their help didn't come.
He has 22. Has always had a good shot from the outside. Rahito. Indonesia will have possession after this.
And look at that comeback that they have made. They're down by 14. We were cruising with 4 minutes to go.
They're thinking three here. But they drive. They kick out. They're boxed in. Yagne lost it. Lost it.
Traveling.
Shot not by
Violation. Yun. Pinapafoul na ng coach nila kasi hindi nakatira. Ang ganda ng depensa ni Manzano, hindi siya kumagat sa fake. There's Bolik. And they want Bolik to get the ball. Go to the free throw line.
Miss.
Now we need
Yeah, there it is.
may timeout pa yata sila and they're going to use it.
Will they go for a three? They're trying to set that up. The pass. The setup. The shot. No.
Tinawagan ng foul?
No.
Oh, no.
I think we are out of time.
Yeah.
There.
Kumamay na yung ano. Kala ko tumawag pa ng foul.
I think we are out of time in the Philippines.
That was good defense. They just switched everything. No?